Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Kishore's Astrology YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll see about the zodiac signs who generally keep their promises. Before proceeding, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get such new video and add to your knowledge. From the table below, you can find out your zodiac sign. Normally, it's difficult to find those who actually keep their promises. Most would boast about their promises but not actually keep them. Such unpredictable behaviors can create a lot of chaos and bring about hassles. It's really difficult to know whether a person really means to keep their promise or not. But don't fret. Astrologers actually seem to know who are more likely to keep their promises by evaluating their zodiac signs. Isn't that awesome? So let's see which are those zodiac signs which generally, in general, tries to keep their promises. The first sign is Cancer. Cancerians hate breaking anybody's trust and always try to keep their promises. They are careful in making plans so as to not break them. They are also very consistent during deadlines and will always show up unless someone else means to cancel a get together. They will always go out of their way to help you in the difficult situations. So, friends, you can trust a Cancer. Virgo. Virgo people are organized and perfectionist who worry a bit too much about keeping up with every single detail. In cases like this, they also worry about not being able to keep a promise and thus they do their best to retain their given word. They are natural givers who, if can abide by their promises, feel ashamed of letting down someone else. Leo. People of this zodiac sign are very kind and hate to hurt anybody's feeling. The idea of breaking a promise seems like a disgrace to themselves and also how they don't want you to view them as a bad person. Leos are also very friendly and understanding. They are the first person you would run to in case something happens and you want some support. They are very mindful of their words as well. Capricorn. Their sense of responsibility doesn't allow them to go back on their word. They will ensure by all means that they can live up to their promise. They value their own goals and commitments a lot. So if you share similar aim, you will be in a Capricorn's good book. Rest assured, they will always help you out in threatening situation. But don't get a Capricorn mad with dishonesty. They hate it the most. So friends, I hope this information was useful for you and you can find a person to whom you can trust. Please subscribe my channel for such more informative videos. Thank you very much.